Welcome back, you guys. This is Anastasia, and this is part 2 with this beautiful wall, Alyssa. Alyssa came from rosemorning.com. I will link them in the description under the video. If you guys would like to purchase anything from Rose Morning, you can always use my code Anna for 10% off at checkout. In first part, I assembled the wall. I showed you what you can do with squished flowers, how I assemble, what I use to assemble the wall, and so on and so on. I will link part 1 in the description under this video as well, so you can go ahead and see the first part, and if you want to come back to a second part. In my first part, I told you that I will continue part 2 with balloons. So I picked pretty cool shades of balloons that will complement all the shades of flowers in the wall and what will complement every single color over here. I'm very excited to try what I am thinking today, and I hope you will like it. So without any further ado, let's go. For my color palette, this is the color palette that I decided to go for. When you think of a baby gender reveal parties, this is the theme for today's setup, because this wall is absolutely perfect for this theme. When you think of baby gender reveal, you automatically go to these two colors, pink and blue, right? But then I thought maybe I can bring these colors outside of the box a little bit and bring a little bit darker shades of blue and pink. So colors are baby pink, baby blue, blue slate, and pixie. These are Tuftex balloons, and I'm very excited to mix them together into one setup. I did test these balloons against the wall, and I think they do complement each other very well, and they do go with the wall very well. They complement, balloons complement every shade of pink and every shade of blue super well. So I'm thinking maybe I want to add one more color into here. It's going to be beige. I'm still kind of going back and forth. Should I, or maybe just let it go and go with these colors? We'll see as we will start to construct. Also, I have different sizes of balloons here: 5, 11, 17, and 24-inch balloons. Let's inflate them into clusters and let's construct this beauty. So this is going to be kind of like a plan of what I want to do. So now we need to combine all the balloons and work around the chair. Why I wanted to do this, I don't want to go for a typical install balloons around the flower wall. I want to do something on the side, kind of blow it up and then take it into the wall. And here I am trying to decide if I want to include beige. Is it going to be too much? Is it going to kind of like break down the colors and marry them together? I don't know. Okay, my final decision. I'm going to remove the blush. I'm going to construct everything with my 4 colors. And then if needed, I will add blush in spots where I think it needs to go. I am connecting everything by the necks of balloons. And I also connected this part to the chair and to the pipe in the back with fishing line. Came from Angie. I had them for quite a while, and I think I want to include them just to give a little bit more interest into my balloon garland, because I want something different from the setup. So these balloons, it's better if you first stretch them out. I'm gonna show you quickly. So you grab a balloon and literally like stretch them out. I can't stretch them because they are tough, and I broke some of my nails and they hurt. My nails are long and I can't really like grab on them and pull. So it's better to stretch them out to have a round circle out of these balloons, because if you don't stretch them, they can be lopsided. So now I am tying using a rubber band and attaching them to my balloons. This is what I have so far. As you can see, I switched my bubble balloons, striped bubble balloons, into confetti printed balloons. I feel like they look much better instead of having like harsh lines. They only have like dots on them, and they do blend in much better with the wall as well. So now it's hard to tell if I am completely happy with this design and what's going on. Let's add flowers, and flowers with 5-inch balloons can turn the whole setup around. For my flowers, I really tried my hardest to match flowers that I have to the flower wall behind me. I tried really hard. So I will insert these flowers really close to my bubble balloons. I want to make a focal point with my bubble balloons. So starting with hydrangeas. This wooden old baby sign, and I'm gonna put it right on the wall. As you can see a little bit in the frame, I already put O, and this one's gonna go somewhere over here. I have some fishing line looped on my wooden sign, and I'm gonna hook it on the flowers. This sign is very light, and I like it so much, so it's gonna go up right over here. What I have for you guys today. Thank you so much, Rose Morning, for sending me this wall. I've really enjoyed working with it. I really like how everything came together. Sometimes when you start to work on a setup, you don't like where everything's going until you are done with the setup and you see the full picture together, right? I had a few instances when a client was not happy with the beginning of what I was doing, and I had to stop them and tell them, let me finish at least closer to the end of the setup. You will come in, you will look at it, and you will tell me if you like it or not. Trust me, it will look much different than you see it now. As I said, sometimes in the beginning you absolutely don't like what you're doing, and sometimes it's hard to follow with it and see how it's going to look together. So I did change the bubble balloons, and that was a great decision because stripes would stand out much more than those confettis, printed confettis, and I like the softness of confettis more than stripes. Flowers married the balloons and flower roll together. It looks beautiful. Also added, I don't know if you guys can see in the frame right now, added a round rug. I will link everything that you guys see in the description under this video. I will add the chair. I will add some of the flowers. I believe most of my flowers came from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I will try to find something similar to what I used and link it for you. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below. I want to know your honest opinion. I will really appreciate that. All right, you guys, have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here for more videos, because more coming. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.